We are pleased to show you the 2019 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, all-wheel drive, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, front floor mats, four-wheel ABS. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Subaru certified pre-owned vehicles have no secrets. You never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. And when shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.